Hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel!
Yay!
For today's vlog guys, tayo po ay mag-unboxing. Yes, isang unboxing po ang gagawin natin today. And this is the box that we are going to open. Ayan guys, so ito na nga, mag-unboxing po tayo today. So ito na po yung box na ating bubuksan. Ayan, so manipis lang siya na box. Ayan, it is delivered by DHL. So excited na po akong buksan itong box na ito kasi po ito ay isang gift sa akin ni Hubby-Bhe. Ayan, so guys, samahan niyo ko at tingnan natin kung ano ang laman ng box na ito. Ayan guys, yung box po ay from Harrods, kaya alam nyo na kung ano ang laman nito. Most likely alam nyo na kung ano po ang laman nitong box. Check natin guys. Ayun, nasira naman tuloy yung box guys. Excited na ako guys. So, yan, order po ako ng dalawang pocket shopper. Jacob pocket shopper. So, ino-open niyo po iyan. Actually, sa dating vlog ko na feature ko nung po itong klaseng bag na ito. So, it's a shopper's bag. So, yan, may zipper po siya. Naka-zipper lang siya, paikot. Ayan, and then you have to open this. And it turns into a... Ganyan. So, it's a shopper's bag, guys. Ayun, ang laman niya sa loob. So, it's a shopper's bag. Ayan. So, pag kayo po ay lalabas, mag-grocery, or you will go shopping, you can put this inside your bag. And then, pag medyo madami-dami na po kayong nabili, pwede nyo na po siyang ilagay dito. Actually, this is my third time to purchase this bag, itong shopper's bag, kasi nagustuhan siya ni Mommy. So, sa Philippines, gustong-gusto ni Mama ito kasi sa Pinas hindi naman masyadong uso yung plastic bag na pag namimili ka lalagay nila sa shopping bag o yung plastic bag, nilalagay na nila sa paper bag dahil yun nga sa Pilipinas they try to what they call this, recycle, and iniiwasan na po nila yung gumamit ng plastic bag. So this time, ito pong bag na ito, so this is how easy it is to lock or to liitan yung bag. Ayan, so lilitan nyo yung bag and then you can put it on your bag, yung main bag ninyo. Tapos pag lalabas po kayo, yan. So it's very handy. Ayan, very handy po siya. So ayan, it just zip around. Yung zipper niya, is-zip nyo lang. Ayan. And yan, it's ready to use. Pwede nyo na ulit siyang ilagay sa inyong mga bags. Ayan. So, I ordered two of them. Ayan, some white and some black. So, may tatak pa rin siya ng Harrods. And even this one, meron din siyang Harrods. So, this is really a perfect gift also to your friends. Kung meron po kayong friends sa Pilipinas or even anywhere, ayan, pwede niyo po itong ibigay as a gift. And for the bag that I really wanted to have this year, ayan. So, buksan natin siya, guys. Oh my God. So, may sticker pa, oh. proof na i-deliver siya ng DHL. And receipts. Ayan. And, oh my god, there is a bag! Oh, my letter. There is a card inside the box. Let's see what's in the bag. Ooh! Sabi dito, a gift for you. Ah, my dearest Be, I got you the best gift you want this year. Sulabo, Hubby. Ang cute. Oh, mabasa niyo ba guys? Ayan oh. So it's a note from my hubby, a gift for you. Ayan, thank you, Hubby-Bhe. Thank you. It's from Harrods. Ayan. So let's open na naman. Daran! Oh my god! Oh my god! Nakasil pa siya talaga guys. Tingnan niyo naman. Ayan. So this is the bag. Actually, ang tagal ko siyang ninanap guys. Kasi walang Marc Jacobs store dito sa Qatar. So I don't know kung meron, baka hindi ko lang alam kasi hindi naman ako lumalabas ng bahay. So when I saw this online sa Harrods, UK, ayan. So nakasale po siya guys ng 10%. I think I got a 10% discount on this bag. So eto na, I really like it guys. I really like the color. Ayan. So ito yung harapan niya. It's actually the mini tote bag. Mini tote bag yung size niya ng Marc Jacobs. Ayan. So if you will check, ayan. So ito po yung kanyang likod. Ayan. May nakasulat. Actually, ang color po niya ay slate green. So there are different colors and shapes, or I mean size for this kind of bag. So meron po silang small, medium, and large. And this is the mini size. So ito po talaga yung kinuha ko kasi ito lang naman ang normally yung size ng bag na ginagamit ko for daily use. Ayan. So it's made of cloth, or you call it I forgot the term, parang ano siya, hindi siya leather. So ano siya, nakalimutan ko na yung term guys, promise. So ito yung kanyang ano po, ang tawag dito, logo, o yung kanyang etiketa. I don't know how do you call this one. Ayan, so ito yung kanyang label, or label pa tawag dyan guys. So ito yung price niya, hindi ko na ilalagay, pero Harrods pa rin nakalagay. So it's still ano pa rin siya, naka-seal. Ayan. So tanggalin na natin to guys. Oh, ayan yung loob niya. So ito yung loob niya guys. So this is the care card. Marc Jacobs care card, nasa plastic. Ayan. And of course, in every bag, there is a silica gel. By the way guys, speaking of silica gel, yung mga bags ninyo guys, if you're not using it and if you're just keeping it in your cabinet, make sure that you put silica gel on each bag that you have. Ilagay nyo sa pocket or ilagay nyo po sa, basta sa loob ng bag. And then, make sure to put a cloth bag. Ayan, para dun mo siya, hindi siya masisira yung bag, or hindi siya mag-wear, or hindi siya masisira. Ayan, hindi magtutuklap or anything. Basta this one protects your bag from maluma agad or masira yung mga gilid-gilid niya. So, it's really practical, or it's really useful, or magagamit mo talaga ang silica gel. Ayan, so what else? So basically, it doesn't have, wala siyang mga bulsa. Nothing, no bulsa inside. Ayan, pero meron siya ditong made in. So this one is made in, I cannot read, made in Vietnam. So made in Vietnam pala to guys. See? Oh my God. Ang ganda na, guys. Ayan. So, ganyan yung size niya. Ayan. And may kasama po siyang strap. So, this is the strap. Gupitin na natin, guys. Gupitin natin ang kanyang strap. And even yung mga hardware niya, meron pang mga balot-balot. Ayan. So, ayan. Ito yung pinagkakabitan ng bag niya. Yung handle niya, sorry. So, ganyan siya. Oh my God. Ang ganda-ganda. Promise. Ito na yung strap. Ayan. Guys, so ito na yung kanyang strap. So, it's a black strap. And then, ito yung kanyang hardware. Yung hardware niya o yung ganito niya, may nakasulat na Marc Jacobs here. And also on the other side. So, ayan ang strap niya. Ito. Kabit natin, guys. So, ang ganda ng pagka-contrast ng bag at doon sa mismong strap niya. Ayan. So, it's a black strap and then a slate green bag. Ayan. Ito na siya. Oh, diba guys? Ang ganda niya. Ayan. So guys, this will serve as my everyday bag from today onwards. Ayan. Kasi ganito lang talaga yung mga perfect size of bag for me. Dahil kasya na po dito ang wallet, ang cellphone, and small makeup kit. Ano pa ba mga dinadala normally mga babae? Fan, kasi mainit. Yung pamaypay. Ayan. So, nagdadala tayo ng pamaypay every now and then. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo rin tong bag na to. Dahil pagka, ipapamain ko na rin ito ulit. Ayan. Just kidding guys. Ayan. So, I hope you guys like my vlog for today. So, ito po yung ating unboxing for today's vlog. Ayan, so maraming salamat po for watching and please do like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. And as I always say, be grateful, be kind, be blessed.